Hey guys, Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha. We are going to go over some myths to see how we can keep your car safe and on the road. You can't get an oil change every 10,000 miles. It has to be every 3,000 miles. That's going to keep your warranty in place. Remember, a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, which is going to cover all of your major pieces. You definitely don't want to mess with that. It is okay to top off your oil. However, if you're finding yourself doing it a lot, you want to schedule an appointment with service. It's important to see why is your car leaking oil. You don't want to max out your tires to the max pressure because not only is your car not going to brake as well, but it's not going to handle as well, and you have the risk of blowing out a tire, which is not safe. You definitely do not want to miss out on your maintenance, even if your car is running fine. Keeping up with your maintenance helps us detect any issues that are going to be coming up. Hopefully this has helped you with some of these mythbusters to keep your car safe and reliable, keep you on the road. If you need a car, come in and see us at Byrider Waukesha.